Next topic is the underground residential distribution system. The underground residential is small village. The village is used of the current, another the power distributions of transmission line through the cable, and is cable used of the underground cable is mostly used of the refer to the electrical power distribution systems, designing of the deliver of the electricity of residential area through underground cable instead of the overheat of power lines. Is the underground developed cable systems residential are big of the increasingly popular some areas are due to the various of advantages they offer over the in the traditional of the overhead distribution systems is most diagrams is for the system the power transmission systems used of the networking cable system. Networking cables are the fall of the substations through the villages area through service network system to the service of pillar most control of the underground cabling systems mostly at the point of the supply is mostly main on the with the residential area is the control for main switchboard controls. It contains the mostly the main circuit for the primary feeder. First on the primary there are high voltage underground cables that the carrier electricity from the substations to the either of communicating the primary feeders. The R typically is installed long conditionals the accumulator of high voltage level. Next on secondary feeders, the secondary feeders are the low voltage of the cables that the branch off from individual residential customer. There are the usually of installed the smaller conditions are the voltage down almost the safe of level residential used of area. The bed mount of transformer, the transformer installed in the various locations within the residential area further step down of the voltage, the level suitable of the individual the household. Next point of the back mount of transformer placed above the ground of house within the protective of the enclosure. The service lateral cable is used of there are underground of the cable that are connecting the individual go to the secondary feeder bed mount of transformer. The service lateral or cable deliver the electricity is from the distribution system to the individual meters or the residential of the property is mostly use of value.